Everyone, how are you? Are you good? Today is Thursday and the date is the 9th of April 2020. Today we are going to solve the math worksheet that I gave you 2 days before. Um, and let us read it. So go open your math worksheet and let us read the question carefully. Then I'm going to solve the questions. Okay? Question 1, he told me circle the money that makes 76 JD. Okay? Then write the total value of the money shown. Okay? He gives me, you are going to see, this is 50 JD, and this is 5, this is 10, and this is 20, and this is 1. He wants from me to circle only 76 GD. I'm going to add it. 50 plus 20, 70. So I need 6 more to put it to the 50 and the 20 to get 76. This, I'm going to circle this. I'm going to circle this. That will give me 70. Okay? Then I will need 6 more, which is here. 5 plus 1 is 6. So I'm going to circle it like this. I'm going to write down 6. 70 plus 6, that will give me 76 he wants from me. So I will circle 50 and the 5 and the 20 and the 1. Then I'm going to have the 76 GD. He wants from me again, then write the total value of the money shown. The total value of the money shown, he wants from me to add all these money together. How I'm going to add it? Total value. I'm going to add it 50 plus 5 plus 10 plus 20 plus 1. I'm going to add it all. 50 plus 5, 55, plus 10, plus 20, plus 1. 50 plus 10, 65, plus 20, plus 1. The 1, I finish it, I erase it. I erase the 10, and erase this. 65 plus 20, 85. Because 5 plus 0 is 5 and 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay? Again, 5 plus 0, 5. Add the ones with the ones and the tens with the tens. 6 plus 2 is 8. Plus 1 is this and this. That will give me 86 JD. This is my total value. This is the question number 1. Let's go to solve the question number 2. Circle the money that makes 83 piasters. 83 piasters. I'm going to see that I am having here this 1. I'm bad drawer. I'm going to see 1/4 in it. If I have 1/3, that means I have 25 piasters. Okay, and the second one, you are going to see that I'm having this shape. Again, I'm a bad drawer. I'm going to see 1/2. When I see 1/2, I'm going to have 50 piasters, and then I'm having 5, and then I'm having 10 piasters, and I'm having here 1 and 1 and 1. So this is the all piasters. I want you to know it. When I see 1/4 again, I will have 25 piasters, and 1/2 I will have 50 piasters, 5, 5, 10, 10, and 1, 1, 1. Okay, then I'm going to add it to get 83. How I'm going to add 83? If I am seeing add the 50, I'm going to circle it, okay, and circle the 25, because 50 plus 25, that will give me 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 75 piasters. I need 8 more to get 83. circle the 5, add 5, that will give me 80 piasters. I need 3 more. I'm having it here, 1, 2, and 3 piasters. That I'm having 83 piasters. Okay, so I'm going to circle the 5, 1 over 2, 1 over 4, and 1, the quarter, and the half, and the 5, and the 1 piaster, 1, and 1 piaster, so get 83. Then write the total value of the money shown. The total value of the money shown, I'm going to add it all together. The total value. The total value here, I'm going to add 25 plus 50 plus 5 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Add it all of it together. 25 plus 50, I have told you that will give me 75. Plus 5, that will give me 80. Erase it. Erase it. Plus 10, this 10, that will give me 90. Erase it. I have 3 piasters more. 90 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3. That will give me 93 piasters. And this is my total value here. Okay. This is the answer for question number 2. Let's go and solve question number 3. Look at the clock hands. Look at the clock hands. Write the time. The first thing you are going to see, this is my 1. This is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here's 9, 10, and 11. Let's go back to 10. Remember, between these, I am having 5 minutes. Okay, remember this. Between each 2 of the clock, I'm having 5 minutes. The first one, he draw for me the small arrow on the 2 and the biggest arrow on the 1. Remember, teacher, the small arrow represent for me the hour, and the biggest arrow represent for me the minute. So I am having here 2, okay, and the biggest arrow on the 1, so I am going to have 5 minutes. Okay, this is going to be my answer. Okay, the second one, which is like this, and 12, 6, 3, 9, 10, 11, 8, 7, 5, 4, 2, and 1. He told me that I'm having the small arrow here. This is not small arrow, but this is the small arrow, and the biggest arrow on 7. Okay, if I keep adding 5, started from here until I reach the 7, I'm going to count by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Okay, and here the small arrow is between 4 and 5. Did the small arrow reach the 5 yet? No, it's not reached. So I'm going to pick the number before, which is here 4. Okay, and how many minutes I have? 35. Okay, this is second solution for 2. The third one, it's easy, like this. You are going, I'm having 12 here, and he draw for me the small arrow on 12 and the biggest arrow on a 3. So I'm going to have, if I see it like this, I having quarter past 12, which is here 12, and this, if I want to count by 5, 5, 10, 15, here's the 3, so I'm going to have 12 and 15 minutes. Number 4 is but it's easy also. This is 11 and this is the 3. The small arrow on the 11 and the biggest arrow on the 3. I'm going, the hour here is 11. Okay, I'm going to start from the hour, don't forget that. And the small arrow on the 3, so I'm going to have 15 minutes again like this, because if I want to count by 5, 5, 10 and 15. The fifth one, it's like, stay with me here, 10, 11, and look, the small arrow on 11 and the biggest arrow on the 11. Okay, the small arrow on the 11 and the biggest arrow on the 11. Okay, I'm going to counting by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and if I reach the 11 I will have 55. Okay, and the hour it's 11 and the minutes is 55 minutes. Okay, this is the solution for number 5. Let's go and solve number 6, which is here like this. You are going to see the small arrow on 4 and the biggest arrow in 10. Not exactly in 4. This is a 3. This is 4. You are going to see it like this. Okay, look here, teacher. Did the small arrow reach the 4? This is the 4. The 4 is here. Did it reach the 4 yet? No. Why? Because here it's 10, it's 50 minutes, did not reach the 4. So I'm going to pick the number before, which is here 3 and 50 minutes. Okay, again, I'm going to solve it. I'm going to look to the small arrow. Did the small arrow reach the 4? No. Exactly, I'm talking about exactly. Did the small arrow reach the 4? Exactly. No, so I'm going to pick the number before, which is here 3, and my minutes here, the biggest arrow on the 10, so I will have 50 minutes. Number 7, you are going to see the small arrow on the 5 and the biggest arrow on the 4. Here is 5, here is 4. The small arrow on the 4, so I'm going to have 5 hour. Okay, and the small arrow, the biggest arrow, sorry, on the 4, so I'm going to have a 20 minutes, because if I want to count by 5, 5, 10, 15, and this will give me 20. Number 8, it's easy. You are going to see that the small arrow and the biggest arrow on the 3, that will give me 3 hours and 15 minutes. Okay, and the last one here is, I'm going to see that I am 1 here, and I'm going to see the small arrow like this, and the biggest arrow on the 4, the biggest arrow on the 4, so I'm going to have 1 hour, 1 and 20 minutes. The 4 here represents for me 20 minutes, because if I want to count by 5, we started from 12, 12, 5, 10, 15, and in the 4 I'm going to find the 20. This is the solution for question number 3. Right now I'm going to go to number 4. Number 4 here, he told me, number 4 here, I'm going to read it. Ahmed asked 10 classmates which lunch is their favorite. Use tally marks to show their choices. I'm going to draw for you the tally chart. It's like this. This is lunch, and you are going to see it in your worksheet. This is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2. This is mansaf. I love mansaf, by the way, so much. ملوخية, I hate it so much. ملوخية and salad. Okay? I'm going to solve it. I'm going to read the question carefully. Teacher, I'm going from you to read the question carefully. Ahmed asked 10 classmates which lunch is their favorite. Use tally marks to show their choices. The first question, how many classmates choose Mansaf? I'm going to go to the Mansaf and count. Each one of them represent for me 1. So 1, 2, 3. So I will have 3 students who eat love Mansaf. Which lunch did the classmate choose the most? You are going to put the most. Sorry, I forget to add it. But you are going to add it. Which lunch did the classmate choose the most? I'm going to see that I am having here 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 children, classmates loves ملوخية and 2 of them love salad. So I am going to pick ملوخية because ملوخية is having 5 classmates who choose ملوخية. And number 3, did more classmates choose ملوخية or salad? Who's the one who choose biggest? ملوخية or salad? I'm going to see. I'm having only 2 on salad and 5 on ملوخية, so I'm going to write again ملوخية. Okay, this is the solution for number 4. Go to number 5. Use the bar graph. How many? Allahu Akbar. How many classmates choose board card? If you see here, I'm drawing this for you, and you are going to see it in your worksheet. I'm going to go to the board, okay? I'm going to go up from here until I reach the finish point. Then I'm going to draw a line until I touch this bar. So I'm going to have 3 children, classmates love playing with board. Question number 2, which game did the most classmates choose? The most means the biggest one. Here, where's the biggest bar I have? This. I'm going to go up, which is card. Okay? Because I'm going to have 5 classmates who love card and 3 loves board. 2 of them are love computer and 1 of them are love the puzzle. I'm going to start from here until I reach the touch point. I'm going to until I touch this bar. I'm going to have 2. Number 3. Read it carefully and stay with me with number 3. How many classmates did not choose a board game or puzzle? He wants the classmates who not choose a board game or puzzle. I'm going to do what I'm going to have right now. I'm going to put he wants board game and puzzle. Go to the board. I'm having 3 on the board, okay? And puzzle, I'm having 1. Plus 1, I will have 4 children who loves playing board puzzle. But he wants from me here to pick the one who did not choose a board game or puzzle. So I'm going to, I having here 10 classmates. I'm going to minus from the 10 the 4 classmates who did not the 4 classmates who love the card and puzzle, the board and the puzzle, and I will have 6 classmates who love the 6 classmates who love to play with play with the one here. Um, it's not 6, sorry. My total here is 11. Sorry. My total here is 11. So 11 minus 4 is 7. 11 minus 4 is 7. So I will get 7 students who did not choose the board or puzzle game. Okay, this is was. This is was. This was our lesson today. Best of luck on your exam, which is going to be on Monday. By the way, the exam is going to be multiple choice. It's going to be easy. Just we want from you to read the question carefully. Stay safe. Miss you all. See you soon.